What's up? Y'all know what it is. Yeah, man. Black socks. It's Ursha, baby. Yeah. Just a little warm up. Hey. I reside in the city of ATL. Yeah. We steady keep it poppin'. Yeah. We got them Georgia peaches so sweet that you wanna bite them. Yeah. And we got the hardest slang, that bang from every city. Does anybody know how to make it rain? Hey. We keep that carpet green in the city, the saddle and the tap. If you ever got a problem, homie, we make you feel and stop. Oh no. Yes sir. So when you see me in the club, partner, this is how you greet me. Throw it up. I can make it rain 24 stacks in the air. It's raining money in here. Throw it up. You gotta get it on the floor, shawty. Get it on the floor, shawty. Get down on your knees. I'm trying to get you all alone. You can do it wrong. Up in my Chevy drop top. Hey.
It's the part when everybody go with the
Hey, what it do, shawty? Let me get that number.